Showed him too much of the ball. It's a throw in. Got it down well. Looking to open them up. That's a good piece of defending. Helped Tom with the head. Not going to stretch this defence like that. They got away with it a bit there. He knits their play together with his passing. Passed out to the right this time. Directs the ball with his head. Done well to seize upon the ball there. Zabaleta. He's won the ball out there. He's a quick, accurate passer. They have rather cancelled each other out in this first half. It's fascinating, though.